Good afternoon and welcome to another video for T.W White Sons Orpington. Here we have today a Ford B-Max Zetec. Now some of you may be thinking, what on earth is a B-Max? Well, the B-Max started out a few years ago and it was originally to replace the Ford Fusion, which was a little bit bigger than the Ford Fiesta. Now these were very popular with their small family design. Although they were based on a Fiesta, they were a lot higher, and you may also be able to see that they've got the sliding door, which I'll show you in a minute. Now, these were very economical. This one is the automatic version, and this actually has got a new gearbox in it from about a year ago. Now, these were one of the ones that had a recall on them. So it was done under Ford Goodwill and it was replaced, so it's got a whole new gearbox which will no longer have any issues. Now this is a 2016 on a 66 plate, originally registered in Essex. I can see it was an Ilford registration. So I'm just going to take you around and show you some of the really cool features of this car. So if you just bear with me a moment while I open up the doors. Now, one of the reasons why it's called the B-Max is because it doesn't have a B pillar. So it's very easy for kids, elderly people to get into the back. You just scoot in the back and it's really easy if you're parked in a bay park like we are with another car parked next to you. It's very easily accessible. Now, as I said, this is the automatic, so it has got things like air conditioning, DAB radio, full Bluetooth connectivity, and other bits and pieces like a USB stick and a 12-volt socket in the front. Now, it is the Zetec, so it is just the base model, but you've got all the creature comforts that you'd expect in a modern vehicle. You have the airbag turn-off switch there. So I'm just going to sort out some of the seats for you so you can see. Now, one of the really cool features of this in the boot is you've got a double level floor. So you've got that bit there, and you've also got a bit underneath. Sorry about the straw and stuff. It has only just been washed just to take some photos. So you can have the floor there, and then when you put the seats down, have a completely flat load floor. Let me just do that for you now. So as you can see, it's fully flat. And then what you have also got is, if you've gone to IKEA and you've gone and got a wardrobe or something, you've got the full length from front to back, all one level. So you can actually put the seats down just a little bit more if you bring these headrests out like that, which then pushes the seat down just a little bit further, which I think is a really cool feature which not many cars have. And also, when you've got the seats down, you can put the seat belts in the little position there, so when you put the seat back, the seat belt doesn't get caught. You just unplug it and pull it out like so. So I'm just going to put this seat back up. So from the back, you've got the little nets in the back, and then you've got the hooks. And I mean, I'm 6 foot and I've got loads of leg room in the back and lots of headroom as well. And it's very comfortable back here. You can quite easily fit 2 adults and a child in the back, which is also very handy. So let me just close these doors. It doesn't matter what order you close these in either. You can close the front, then the back, or the back, then the front. It's completely up to you. It's the same this side as well. So it doesn't matter what side you are getting in the vehicle, as you can see. So when we get in the vehicle, got all your light switches down here, wipers, and then speedo there, just over 34,000. no lights or anything on, which is all good. It has got full service history as well. So if you have done any checks on this vehicle, you will see that it's a 3-owner vehicle. Now, with a 3-owner vehicle of this age, I would normally ask questions, but this was passed between family, so it belonged to the husband and then he passed it over to the wife. So although it has had 3 owners, 2 of which were in the same family, so that puts your mind at ease just a little bit more. But yeah, there's a few things that we need to do to the vehicle to prep it, but as I said, it was just a video just to get it photographed and online for you guys to see. So yeah, if you have any questions or anything about it, please do let us know. Give us a call and speak to one of myself or my colleagues, Dan or Ryan, and we'll be happy to help. Take care and have a really good weekend. Many thanks.